AI tools. Is it cheating? Hello, my creative professional family. We're artists, we're freelancers, we're trying to make money in a creative and honest way online. We're doing it. Today, we're diving into a hot topic, y'all. It's been buzzing around the writing community. AI tools, y'all. AI tools in content creation. What do we mean by AI tools in writing and content writing? When we talk about AI tools in content writing, I am referring to those new nifty programs that use artificial intelligence to help us in various aspects of our craft. This can range from a spell checker, which we've been using forever. Spell checkers are AI. They're doing it. So we've been using them for a while, but it's changed a lot this year. There's more advanced tools that help us with idea generation, tools that even write whole blog posts for you. So using AI isn't just about fixing those pesky typos and correcting grammatical slip-ups anymore. It's starting to go beyond that. These tools are becoming like writing wingmen. They're tirelessly working to enhance our writing, and they can work to speed up your process. They can act like a trusty sidekick, not only saving you time, but allowing you to use that time to concentrate on the actual creative aspects of your writing. I try to see it as having a writing assistant. It handles all the mundane, so you can focus on the magic. AI tools, the way I've been interpreting them lately, they're also like having a skilled editor, like hiring someone to look at your final draft, right? It's an editor that's always at your fingertips for free. They don't just fix mistakes, they can elevate the overall quality of your writing, making sure that you're turning in things that are not just well written, but also grammatically correct. They can work as thesauruses, which we've also been using as tools forever. This is just a quicker thesaurus, helping you find more precise word choices to enhance the flow of your sentences. These tools act as collaborators in refining your work. So by taking care of all the technicalities, AI can, when I believe used ethically and correctly, can free up mental space for you to explore and expand creative ideas. When balanced correctly, it can be a dynamic partnership where the machine aids the human in reaching new heights of imagination. The imagination doesn't exist within the machine. It only exists within you. We can't count on the machine to help us come up with new ideas. It can't do that. So with this great power comes great responsibility, as they say. Some writers argue that relying too heavily on AI tools can stifle our creativity, make our writing sound formulaic, take away the human touch. But speaking from my own experience, this year I've been experimenting with various AI tools and working with them differently based on the client and how comfortable the client is working on something. I've started to find a balance that's working for me, and I've started to train other people to do it as well. So I'm seeing AI as an assistant that helps me refine and polish my work, but I make sure that my creative voice remains at the forefront. Is AI tools, is using them in content writing cheating? It's still a subjective question. Opinions are gonna vary. I don't think it's cheating, but I think it really depends on how you use it. So some people, like myself, see it as a valuable resource, a helpful assistant, the way of the future, so we might as well lean into it. Others are still arguing that it undermines the authenticity of the writing process. We're being asked to write more than ever, so certainly hiring an assistant isn't ridiculous. I mean, in my opinion, the use of AI tools in content writing, it's not cheating, it's just adapting to the evolving landscape of our craft. Do you think I can write 33,000 words a month without an assistant helping me out? These digital companions are our allies. They're our free assistants in the writing journey. They're gonna help you expand your business and take on more work before you can hire an actual assistant to help that as well. So thanks guys for tuning in this week to the business of storytelling. This is a hot topic that's really interesting to me. I love seeing how our creative world changes through the involvement of these new tools and the internet and just like capacity that we're expected to take on now. And it's also going to affect our pricing. We know it's affected the creative world in Hollywood for the better part of this year as well. Listen, AI, hot topic. There's still a lot more to explore and to expand into as we keep moving on down this digital road. Thanks for tuning in. I love chatting about this stuff, so you guys should definitely comment your thoughts below, subscribe, hook up with me on Instagram and TikTok at Caroline Cole Stories. I love getting to know you all, and I love seeing how other artists and creatives are implementing these new tools in ways that can help us become more creative instead of less. It can boost our output and maybe minimize time we spend working so that we can use that time to go outside and refresh our brains, right? We need to find ways to work smarter, not harder. And let's do it together. See y'all soon. Bye.